Today on The Struggling Guitarist, we're going to go for the odd, the weird, and yes, the completely random. We're going to do I Don't Know What Christmas Is by the Old 97s and the Guardians of the Galaxy Christmas Special. Let's see if we can butcher this one as well. I'll see you there. Ooh. Since normally I'm butchering the song anyway, we might as well leave the Christmas classics butcher free. Yes, today we're going to go for something much more modern and something much more fun. I can't wait to play this song. I know I'm a year late into it. This aired last year, but man, is it amazing, and I had to play it this year. Let's get started. So for the intro, it's really actually easy. It's simple chords, and it's a single strum on each chord so the singer can do his part. So, I apologize, I'm going to sing here, forgive me. So you do a G, out on the third planet closest to this sun. To an A minor, to a C, to an A minor, to a C. We start it again. To an A minor, C, G. Then, now I'm not gonna lie, it makes no sense to me. But see how that's an A minor, to a C again, to a B flat, and an A7. Now this B flat, we're gonna be on this fifth string here, the A string, right? So that's the A. So the first fret would be the A sharp or the B flat and the B. So it's easy to just go A, B, B flat. So we're going to put our index finger on this first fret of the fifth string, and I'm just going to lay down and get the second, third, and fourth strings with my ring finger. Now the key here is you want to mute the big E and the little e, just in case you hit them. Of course, if you have the aim control, that's preferable. I do not. So in this case, I always try and mute, especially if you were strumming Fast and Furious. I'd just get into the habit anyway. And then to describe the A7 is it's just like your A. The second, third, fourth, right, on that second fret, except for you take out the middle finger. I tend to play it with these two fingers. It just is easier for me, but you know what? If you could keep it in and just automatically do that, you'd probably be set up for later on. Let's play that all again. I'm not gonna lie, it makes no sense to me. And that's the intro. Let's move on to the verse. So for the verse, and pretty much the entire song, there's a simple strum pattern. I encourage you to come up with something cooler. I've seen a lot of neat things that people are doing online. Right now, we're just going to do this. It's nice and easy. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now that we discussed the strum, let's quickly discuss the overall notes of this, okay? Just so we can do it, and then we'll come back and strum through it. So it starts on a D. Then it goes to a B minor. Now a B minor is that dreaded F shape that we love so much, but you're over on the second fret and down one string. Right? Because that's the B, that's the root note, right? So there's your B flat, there's your B flat. Then it would go back to a D. You'll see this a lot. Back to that B minor. At this point, you'll go to an E minor shape, to an A, to an E minor, to an E, to an A, to an E minor, to an A, to a B flat, to an A7. And then it repeats. So let's actually strum through this a little bit, just to get the feel of it. And we'll do it twice through. the B minor, right? To that D. To that B minor. To an E minor. To an A. E minor. A. E minor. A. To that B flat. So you'll notice I switched up my strumming there. That was not intentional. However, it's still cool. So let's keep rolling with it. To that B. Back to that. And just like that, you've learned the verse. This next part is the chorus. And this is a fun one. I'm not going to do it, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's more of the same notes you've already seen with one extra that you'll see a lot in this, which is the F sharp chord. So the chorus starts on that B minor shape, and it's 4 strums. And you're going to move up to an F sharp minor, which you're going to just scoot up 1. You're making this F shape, except for you're taking out your middle finger. Now, as I'm doing these single strums, keep in mind, that's Rhett Miller when he does these weird half windmills. Yeah, that's not going to happen. To do that, I guess you put it, it's like you can do these big windmills, and but he's doing these small ones like here. So I guess you push your guitar out. Yeah, no, see that it's not gonna work. I can't even do it. Let me stand up for that. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. This is awful. I'm gonna keep this in. This is amazing. On that note, dun-dun-dun, we're going to just go to a G, D. You're going to go back to that B minor and the strum that we've done before. F sharp, to a G, A7, D. Let's try it again. And just like that, you've learned the chorus. So for the outro, it's the same notes you've already seen, it's just a throwback to the intro. The beginning plays with a single strum for each chord, and then eventually picks back up into the normal strum that we always do. So first, it starts with this B minor shape. What the heck's it? To that F sharp, turtle dove, to a G, and who lit up that, to a D. Now you go back to that B minor, but we go into the strum. To that F sharp, to the G, A7, D. And you repeat that. So what you notice there is I just stayed on the D chord, and kept strumming until the end of the song. I believe, without listening to it, it's 4 times through, but just follow along with the recording and you'll be good. So, let's play that all one time through just to hear it. What the heck's a turtle dove? And who lit up that deer? Whoa! Deer. At this point, you hear the band go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you've learned the outro. So let's play the song all the way through, see if I can get through it. I mean, it gives me more of a chance to flub it, which I think we all enjoy a lot. However, I've got a secret weapon on my side. Yes, I've created a cheat sheet. Are you ready to see this? Ooh. Yes, as you can tell, I put a lot of thought, effort, and hyper detail into this. This is copyright struggling guitar stuff, so don't even think about stealing it. Nope, nope, nope. I'll come after you, nope. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me, I'm serious here. This is serious stuff. Anyway, it's the intro, the verse, the chorus. Wow, does this look familiar? The verse, and then the chorus, and then the outro. Yep, nice and simple. So we start on that G. Out on the 3rd planet closest to the sun. Okay, we're gonna stop there. Now I'm not gonna lie, it makes no sense to me. Ah. One, two, three, four. Thanks for helping me butcher this new Christmas classic. I love this song. The Guardians of the Galaxy are first, they're amazing. Second, this is such a weird Christmas special. I don't even know what it cost them to make. And it was just absolutely off the wall, crazy fun. I honestly love it. Anyway, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll see you next time on The Struggling Guitarist.